Um, so another question. This question is in relation to a question that I made some time ago about the hair of women, and this is like a similar question actually, but in a more simple format. Let's say. So if the hair of women is considered as if it was their nakedness, then why are single women allowed to walk around with their hair uncovered?
Okay, that's very interesting thing. Yes, only women, only hair of the married women considered to be nakedness, and only hair of the Jewish married women are considered to be nakedness. So hair of non-Jewish women not considered to be nakedness, and unmarried women also not considered to be nakedness. So, but if she already covered, for example, she's a widow or she was divorcee, so we actually tell her that she should continue cover her hair. So it's not something out of ordinary. Somebody like we're helping somebody with shidduch, and that other person said, and she got divorced, and she still and she's still covering her hair. So in this person's eyes, it was like she's like Sarah Man. I mean, maybe she's a Sarah Man, like or close to it, right? But it's actually the basic halacha. Why? Because we have a rule. We don't go down in holiness. We only go up in holiness. So if she already like sanctify herself with this kisui rosh and covering her hair, so she cannot go back to the right. It was kiddushim, right? Kiddush. So she was sanctified, right? This person who married her, now he divorced, but doesn't matter. So he sanctified her, so we cannot go back. But even the single women, I'm talking about Jewish women, so they have to like even though they even if they have a long hair, they have to like put it very very tightly, so not to put on everybody's show. It would be immodest. You understand? So whatever she does, it should look very very modest. You understand? And plus, the hair attracts, as we said, the hair attracts the man. So she needs to get married. So whatever works for this guy. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.